Hi! In our first video on water activity measurement, I reviewed Rotronic's line of AW instrumentation and demonstrated the ease of testing using the HC2-AW USB probe and Rotronic's HW4 software. Today, I'm going to go into more detail using the popular HP23-AW portable water activity instrument set. This set consists of three main components: the HP23-AW handheld, the HC2-AW measuring probe, and the stainless steel sample holder. As demonstrated in the first video of Rotronic's water activity products, measurement of water activity with our instruments could not be easier. Just a couple of important considerations when testing for water activity. The complete instrument, samples, and testing room need to be at the same and stable temperature. Nothing crazy here. A normal office or lab environment is fine. Just avoid direct sunlight and ventilation vents. When you first get your HP23-AW, it is a good idea to get familiar with the menu structure of the unit. Let's start by pressing the menu button. There are many accessible settings in the 7 menu choices, but for this video I will review just 2 important sections. Under Device Settings, check the date and time. You can scroll down to them and change to your local settings. The date and time are used when storing the AW readings locally in the instrument. OK, now press the menu button to return to the top menu. Scroll down to the last choice, AW Mode. Ensure the Enable is on and the mode is set to AW Quick. The next 4 settings are best left at the default values. If you want the test results saved locally, make sure Save Result is set to On. Press Menu twice to return to the main display. Now, on to your first AW measurement. As you prepare your samples, consider which sample cup size is right for your test sample. Powders, liquids, and fine grains are perfect for the small sample cup, while larger and chunky samples fit well in the large cups. As you can see from the instrument setup, 2 probes can be connected to the HP23 at the same time. Switching the display between the 2 probes is as simple as pressing the up or down button. When using 2 probes and performing AW measurements, starting a test starts both probes at the same time, so make sure to have both samples ready. Once you have prepared your sample for testing, simply remove the lid from the sample cup, place the cup in the sample holder, and cover with the HC2-AW probe. At this point, simply press the enter button. Once pressed, the display changes to dwell. Based on the default settings, dwell will run for 4 minutes. When the dwell time has passed, the display will change to running. When the test is finished, there will be a 5-second tone from the unit indicating the end of the test, and a check mark on the display. The test result is saved if enabled. As you can see, the use of the HP23-AW instrument is simple and straightforward. The reliable and stable sensor used in the HP23-AW probe makes this instrument very low maintenance and will ensure many years of consistent performance.